Hello, everyone. This is James Song here. Welcome back to the TOEFL show. This is episode 18, and I have a great show for you today. I'm giving you TOEFL listening practice test. So in this practice test, there is one full conversation passage with 5 questions in it. So you can test yourself and see how good you are. The answers to all the questions are in the description below. So please do check them out and feel free to pause the video or rewind or even fast forward during the test as you need it. But if you want to see whether you are good enough, whether you can actually answer all the questions within the time limit of ETS when you go and take the real TOEFL test, then please, once the test starts, don't touch anything. Let the video run, because I have given you the time limit for each and every question. And if you are able to answer all the questions within the time limit I've given you, then you'll have no problems when you go to the real test with the time limit at all. So please enjoy this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next episode. Bye for now. Thanks, guys. Let's start this test now.
Listen to a conversation between a student and a professor.
Hey, Jan, you look like you're in a hurry.
Yeah, things are a little crazy.
Oh, yeah, what's going on?
Oh, it's nothing. Well, since it's your class, I guess it's okay. It's just that I'm having trouble with my group project.
Ah, yes, due next week? What's your group doing again?
It's about United States Supreme Court decisions. We're looking at the impact of recent cases on property rights, municipal land use cases, zoning disputes.
Right, okay, and it's not going well?
Not really. I'm worried about the other 2 people in my group. They're just sitting back, not really doing their fair share of the work, and waiting for an A. It's kind of stressing me out because we're getting close to the deadline and I feel like I'm doing everything for this project.
The good old free rider problem.
Free rider?
Oh, it's just a term that describes this situation when people in a group seek to get the benefits of being in the group without contributing to the work. Anyway, what exactly do you mean when you say they just sit back? I mean, they've been filing their weekly progress reports with me.
Yes, but I feel like I'm doing 90% of the work. I hate to sound so negative here, but honestly, they're taking credit for things they shouldn't be taking credit for. Like last week in the library, we decided to split up the research into 3 parts, and then each of us was supposed to find sources in the library for our parts. I went off to the stacks and found some really good material for my part, but when I got back to our table, they were just goofing off and talking. So I went and got material for their sections as well.
You shouldn't do that.
I know, but I didn't want to risk the project going down the drain.
I know Teresa and Kevin. I've had both of them in other courses, so I'm familiar with their work and their work habits.
I know, me too, and that's why this has really surprised me.
Does your group like your topic?
Well, I think we'd all rather focus on cases that deal with personal liberties, questions about freedom of speech, things like that. But I chose property rights.
You chose the topic?
Yeah, I thought it would be good for us, all of us, to try something new.
Maybe that's part of the problem. Maybe Teresa and Kevin aren't that excited about the topic. And since you picked it, have you talked to them at all about picking a different topic?
But we've already got all the sources, and it's due next week. We don't have time to start from scratch.
Okay, well, I'll let you go because I know you're so busy, but you might consider talking to your group about your topic choice.
I'll think about it. Gotta run. See you in class.
What is the conversation mainly about? Why does the professor mention the free rider problem? What is the professor's opinion of the other students in the woman's group? Why did the woman choose property rights as a topic? What mistakes does the professor imply the woman has made while working on a project?